Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Teufel speaker and I'm going to tell you how can you easily connect your phone or laptop using cable to this speaker. So, at first, let me just show it to you. You have to find the back of your speaker, which is here. Let me zoom it in for you. And now you have to search for aux in. You have to just plug your jack cable in it. And now you have to bring your phone or laptop. As you can see, I do have here phone with the jack port, and we have to plug the second jack cable into our phone. And as you can see, now on our phone we can see that we are connected. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.